Welcome to Zibo, a city that glistens like a pearl in the heart of China's Shandong Province. With a history spanning over 3,000 years, Zibo is a city where tradition meets modernity in a mesmerizing dance. Marvel at the city's ancient Zhou Dynasty roots, nestled in the heart of the Qi culture. Here, you can discover the profound influence of this ancient civilization, from the Qi Great Wall to the Qi City ruins. But Zibo is not just about the past. It's a city that's embraced the future with open arms. From its bustling cityscape, shining with neon lights, to its thriving ceramics industry, Zibo is a city that's constantly evolving. And let's not forget about the city's natural beauty. The Weishan Lake Wetland Park is a testament to Zibo's commitment to preserving nature, offering breathtaking views that would make any nature lover's heart skip a beat. So whether you're a history buff, a nature enthusiast, or simply a traveler seeking new experiences, Zibo has something for you. A city of contrasts, a city of surprises, a city of endless discoveries. That's Zibo for you.